Here we testing our broken rice test machine today, and we took sample from our farmers, and we suppose our rice yield is 65 together broken rice, and we take it. You can see that this is our broken rice drum. We're using number 4 for this test, but it's up to your and the rice and your country. You can use another kind and drum. We have number 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and 6. And we're using number 4 for this test. Then this is our pan for broken rice. We adjust the pan as like this because we think it's enough for us. But in your country and your rice, if you think that this position is not enough for you, you can change the adjustment from here. When you turn it to the left side, the pan is turning the right. When you turn it to the right side, the pan is turning the left. Then we are putting, then throwing our full rice and broken rice, the scrum plate, and throwing inside from here. We adjusted the time for 40 seconds, but it's up to you. You can change it. For change, first you touching the set button, then you are pressing the start for increase. If you want to reduce, you are pressing the stop. There's buttons and using for two kind of operation. One of them is start and stop, and the second time is increase the time. And then you think this time is enough for you, pressing the set button again. And for start, you pressing this button 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It's begun to work. And it's finishing right now. We're taking back the drum and throwing the rice to blue tray. You can see that rice are generally full, and we can't see any broken rice inside of our full rice. And if you think this is enough for you, no need to change this adjustment. But if you think that there is too much and the broken rice inside of this full rice, you're taking this and the pan to right side, and then we're taking our pan and throwing the front plate, and you can see that all of these are broken, and we're waiting our broken rice. And you can see that this is 1.2 or 1.3% from 1.2 gram from 65 gram.